American 101, turn left to 225 United 300, head 000, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. United 300, turn left to 3 United 102, head 270, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 403, turn left to 180, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 300, turn left to 270, cleared for landing. Roger. Delta 204, turn left to 225, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 505, turn right to 000, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 006, head 270, cleared for landing. Roger. United 807, turn left to 180, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 008, turn left to 225, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 009, turn left to 225, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 610, turn right to 225, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. Delta 001, head 270, cleared for landing. United 300, turn right to 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 402, turn left to 225, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 300, turn left to 045, at 4,000 feet. Roger. American 803, head 270, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 004, turn left to 180, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 706, head 180, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. Delta 307, head 270, American 004, head 180, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 706, turn right. Delta 307, head 270, descend to 2,000 feet. Roger. Delta 705, turn left to 225, climb to United 008, head 315, descend to 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 706, turn right to 270, cleared. Delta 307, head 270, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. United 008, turn left to 270, descend to 2,000 feet. Roger. Delta 307, head 270, cleared for landing. Roger. United 008, head 270, United 008, head 270, cleared for landing. Roger. United 409, turn left to 180, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 610, turn right to 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 610, turn left to 045, United 611, turn left to 180, climb to 4,000, United 315, head 225, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. United 012, turn right to 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 413, head 270, climb to 2,000 feet. Roger. Delta 914, head 270, climb to 1,000 feet. Roger. United 800, turn left. American 504, head 00 0 cleared for landing. Roger. Delta 002, head 315, descend to American 001, head 000, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 800, turn right to 090, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. American 603, turn right to 045, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 800, turn left to 000 at 1,000 feet. Roger. Delta 906, turn right to 045, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 906, head 045, climb United 505, head 135, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 800, head 000, cleared for landing. Roger. United 207, turn right to 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 109, turn right to 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 010, head 315, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 911, turn left to 270, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 612, turn right to 000, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 010, turn right to 000 at 4,000 feet. United 013, head 045, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. American 908, head 180, descend to 4,000 feet. American 612, turn left to 315 at 4,000 feet. Roger. United 013, turn left to 000, cleared for landing. Roger. Delta 010, turn left to 270 at 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 915, head 000, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 116, head 315. Descend to 3,000 feet. Roger. American 612. Turn right to 000 at 4,000 feet. Roger. American 612. Turn left to 180 at 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 010. Turn left to 180. Delta 300. Turn right to 045. Climb to 4,000 feet. American 901. Turn left to 225. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 702. Turn left to 225. Climb to 4,000 feet. American 901. Turn right to 270. Delta 300. Turn right to 090 at 4,000 feet. Roger. American 003. Turn left to 315. Climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. United 507. Head 225. Descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. American 702. Turn left to 180 at 4,000 feet. Roger. American 003. Turn right to 000 at 2,000 feet. Roger. United 108. Head 000, cleared for landing. Roger. American 003. Turn right to 045. Climb to 4 Delta 300. Turn left to 090 at 4 United 504. Head 270. Climb to 4,000 United 507. Turn right to 270, cleared for landing. Roger. American 003. Turn right to 0 United 507. Turn right to 315. Climb to 1,000 feet. Roger. United 009. Turn left to 225. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 507. Turn left to 270, cleared for landing. Roger. United 411. Head 045. Descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. Delta 305. Turn left to 225. Climb to 4,000. Air France 712. Head 270. cleared for landing. Roger. United 411, turn left to 000, cleared for landing. Roger. Delta 305, turn right to 270, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 813, turn right to 045, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 506, turn left to 225, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 010, head 270, climb to 4,000 feet. American 813, turn right to 090 at 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 616, turn left to 315, climb to 1 United 506, turn left to 180 at 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 616, turn right to 045, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 914, turn right to 000, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 616, turn right to 090, Delta 616, turn left to 045 at 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 519, head 270, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. American 813, head 090, climb to 5,000 feet. Roger. Delta 519, turn right to 000, Delta 616, head 045, Delta 616, turn right to 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 017, turn right to 000, climb to 4,000 feet. American 813, head 090, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 315, turn right to 045, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 518, turn left to 315, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 820, turn left to 225, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 315, turn right to 090 at 3,000 feet. Roger. American 820, turn right to 270, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 322, turn left to 315, climb to 4,000 feet. American 023, turn right to 045, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. American 315, head 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Air France 825, turn right to 1 American 023, turn right to 090 at 3,000 feet. Roger. Air France 825, turn left to 09 Air France 825, turn right to 13 Air France 825, turn left to 090 at 2,000 Air France 825, head 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 421, turn right to 000, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. American 023, head 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 600, head 270, November. American 100, turn left to 225, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. November 701, turn right to 180, climb to 2,000 feet. Roger. United 303, head 270, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 100, turn left to 180, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 205, turn right to 090, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 205, turn right to 045, climb to Air France 008, head 270, cleared for landing. Roger. November 701, head 180, descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. American 104, turn right to 180, 0, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 202, head 135, descend to United 309, head 000, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 104, head 135, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 906, head 270, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 205, American 104, turn right to 180 at 3,000 feet. Roger. American 104, turn left to 135 at 3,000 feet. Roger. Delta 611, head 135, descend to 3,000. American 104, head 135, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. November 701, turn right to 225 at 1,000 feet. Roger. Delta 814, head 315, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 407, turn left United 515, head 180, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. November 701, turn right to 270, cleared for landing. Roger. Delta 611, head 135, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 407, turn left to 180, climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 910, turn right to 180, climb to 3,000 feet. Roger. American 017, head 315, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. Air France 116, turn right to 090, climb to 2,000 feet. Roger. American 910, turn left to 135 at 3,000. Air France 116, turn right to 135 at 2,000 feet. Roger. United 420, head 000, descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. Air France 116, turn left 209. This is Delta 322. Emergency. 8 minutes fuel. Delta 322. Head 180. Descend to 1,000 feet. Roger. Air France 116. Head 090. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. American 910. Head 135. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. United 513. Head 045. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 322. Turn right. Delta 918. Head 180. Descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 824. Head 135. Descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 819. Turn left to 225. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. This is Delta 322. Emergency. 6 minutes fuel. Delta 322. Turn left to 18. Delta 322. Turn left to 135 at 1,000 feet. Roger. Delta 322. Turn right to 180 at 1,000. American 701. Head Delta 819. Turn left to 18. Delta 322. Turn right to 180 at 1,000 feet. Roger. Delta 322. Turn right to 270. Cleared for landing. Roger. United 221. Head 045. Climb to 4,000. American 103. Head 180. Descend to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 602. Head 315. Descend to United 221. Head 045. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. Delta 523. Turn left to 225. Climb to 4,000 feet. Roger. November 804. Turn right to 135. Climb to 2,000 feet. Roger. Delta 523. Turn left to 18. United 900. Turn right to 090. Climb to 1,000 feet. Roger. United 900. Turn right to 180 at 1,000 feet. Roger. American 908. Turn left to 00 American 908. Turn left to 04 American 908. Turn left to 000 at 5,000 feet. Roger.